Be sure to cook.
Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, we're going to be making homemade egg rolls. Everything is homemade. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, I have bought some steak and it is a beef sirloin tip steak is what I bought. Okay, I have already started cutting some of the meat so I can be quick about it. So, okay, this meat has already been washed, and I'm going to do is dump this into my bowl. Okay, then I'm going to put some of this meat that I had for the egg rolls, and I'm putting it in my food processor, and I'm just going to husk this and grind this up as much as I can. Okay, and then I'm going to take it out of my miniature food processor. I need as much, all of that. Okay, I'm going to shake a little of meat tenderizer, and I'm using the one that's no salt. Then I'm also going to use some soy sauce, and I get the low sodium soy sauce, and I'm going to mix that around. And then I'm going to add some garlic to this. Okay, so I'm just using just a little bit of this. I don't even think it's just like 1/4 teaspoon of it because it is strong, and I'm going to mix this up really good in my meat. And I'm just going to sprinkle just a little bit. See that? That is just a little bit, not a lot. Okay, so that's done. This gets wrapped up, marinade. Now that the meat is marinating for 45 minutes, we have enough time to go ahead and start on our vegetables. And I had went and got some carrots. So we're just going to start off with 1 carrot. Okay, now I can be able to cut this carrot. So I have my knife, 1 for the egg rolls. Okay, after I washed both of my carrots, now I have some Napa cabbage. I'm going to take my knife and make sure it's crispy, crunchy. And I'm going to cut it in half, and I'm going to strip this. Okay, now we're going to be chopping up some green onions. Okay, I have some olive oil that I'm using. You can use any oil. I've got my little wok here, and I've got it blazing hot. I got my marinated meat that's been marinating over 45 minutes. Remember that meat? I'm going to start sticking that meat into that hot wok. Okay, once I got that out of the wok, I put that on the side. I've got this great seasoning, Mama Sita. I'm just going to add a little of Mama Sita's in there. I'm not using the whole pack because I'm flavoring it with all I have. There you go, with my flavor and the Mama Sita's. Okay, I got some of those carrots. You remember those carrots? Since these are raw, since that's still hot, I'm just going to go ahead and toss those carrots. Okay, then we're going to put some green scallions, the onions that we put. We're going to put a little bit of that in there. We're going to toss that around. Okay, here's that cabbage. I'm going to pour in here, and I'm just going to toss all this together. Okay, so I'm going to take this and put this in a big bowl. I got a large egg that I'm just going to beat, and this is going to be my combiner to my egg roll shell. Okay, I have my spring roll wrappers. This is for the spring rolls. I'm going to get a scoop, 1/3 cup of meat, and I'm going to put it in the middle here. And it's the meat and everything. And I'm going to spread it out. Okay, this is some oil that I had. This is vegetable oil, and I had fried a taco shell in that, and it's still good. I'm just going to reuse this oil to fry my egg rolls in. It's all the same thing. Okay, so I had took these egg rolls and I had put them in a freezer, and I kind of like got them stiff. So I'm going to do about 3 of these, let these cook. And I got me a little spiral holder to drain the grease. Ain't this cute? I really do like this. Sometimes the egg rolls don't want to turn over. So you gotta like force it to go down in there and let it just stay in here so it can cook on both sides. So I just press it down lightly, not where I can burst it or burn it or nothing, but I want them to get on both sides. Just submerge it in the oil. Okay, and this is, so what I did is I took them and I just, since they kept flipping over on the side, that's what this is for. You just lay that down and let them cook just like that. So we're gonna do another one. We're gonna do 2 more. So we're just gonna fry up 5 here. And we plated this up with the egg rolls that we have done. So these are the egg rolls, and this is the beef fried rice. And I hope you all enjoy this. It's crispy, golden, delicious egg rolls. Don't forget your duck sauce, or your sweet and sour sauce, or you can even have hot mustard. You can have whatever you want. You put what you want on yours. Guess what? We made this together. You and me. We both did this together. And we're going to do many, many more dishes. Beef fried Chinese rice with homemade egg rolls. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And come back another time so we can make even better dishes. See you all guys later. Bye.